Let me admit, I let my lawn get out of hand. It's my own fault. I didn't have a mower, so that's why I went out and I bought one. It's a Kobalt 40v Max Brushless 20-inch deck width Cordless Mower Kit, fully equipped with a Lithium Ion Battery and a charger to boot. This here is not quite a yard anymore, it's more of a jungle. And I'm gonna go ahead and get to town other than this machete right here. Let's go to work! Say we fire her up. She pull this throttle, push that button, she should purr like a kitten. Here we go. She didn't. Alright, let's see here. Well, instructions are definitely printed upside down, and it's clearly in a different language, so back to the drawing board. So what I've learned, not from the instruction manual, but from right here by the start button. To start it up, you're gonna push this button right here. Pull this down. Boom, 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 boom. Not sure if that's what it's gonna sound like, but I sure hope so. She should purr like a lion, ready to attack. Now this is wet grass, very long, set on the 7th position, the highest position, and cut pretty well. Let's take it down to the 1 level. Slide it on over the side here. We'll see what happens. May really be testing a warranty here. There's the difference. I definitely got to use the maybe like a 5 or a 6, because the 1 cut that all the way down to the mud. Not bad. Now, grass like this is going to create all types of insects and bugs that come and bother you. Like mosquitoes, moths, rats, cougars, mountain lions, and probably even grizzly bear. I'm not sure what that is. It almost even sounds like a motorcycle. Lizards, iguana, butterfly, who knows? I mean, anything could be out here. All I know is once I cut this down, my wife will no longer be getting bit by mosquitoes all through the day. Now, if you're out shopping for one of these Kobalt mowers, they do have a self-propelled version. So that means you just throw it in gear and that thing will pull itself along as you just wander along, maybe dance in a two-step. I don't know what you want to do with the self-propelled. I myself didn't want that. I wanted to work for my magic. And that magic is happening with this Kobalt. Now this is some rough terrain we're going in here. So far this Kobalt machine, 40 volt max, is doing just fine. Stay tuned. This content, you want to see more unboxings like this full of action and all that, go ahead and click that little bell button down there, subscribe to my channel, check out some of my fitness exercise workouts if you want to as well. Help me help you. Found our chair. I think me and old Kobalt here are going to make a great team.
First look, speed review.
Well, that about does it. Now keep in mind, I am no way affiliated with Lowe's or Kobalt or any of these products. As you can see, I just needed to cut my lawn. Now I'll show you this real quick. This here, there's full bag. What's nice is to empty it, there's a little release handle on the top here you can kind of grip onto. Right here, look at that. There's a little handle right there. That gets me excited because I haven't had a lawnmower since ever. But I remember when I was a kid mowing lawns. I know that this machine is a whole lot quieter than the gasoline ones I used to use when I was little. I used to think that nobody could hear me as I was singing as loud as I could as I was mowing the lawn. Truth be told, my neighbor could. She told me. She said I sing horrible, and she's right. But quick speed review. Now this machine, I put it through the rigmarole. I took it heavy into high jungle territory. I took it into the hilly mountains over there with rocks and bricks, sticks, everything of the like. And I think it did a great job. I mean, for being an electric mower, I didn't even use the whole battery. It spent about 44 minutes, give or take. And I think it still has a little juice left. So that 40 minutes limit that it says that it has, it surpasses it a little bit. So I'm pretty happy with it thus far. Again, I took it and ran with it. And a few things that I noticed. One, I get really sweaty when I'm out in the sun wearing too many things of clothes and carrying a machete. That's my own fault. Two, this machine kind of kicks into a little bit of a high gear as you're getting into the thicker territory. So as you're cutting down taller grass, you can feel the machine start trying to give it a little more push so you can cut more down. And three, I'm satisfied and glad that I no longer have to use this machete to cut down weeds. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Ethan McDowell. Thanks for watching me open this sumbitch up.
Yeah! Now jab that big thumbs up.
Thanks for watching me open this sumbitch up.